gross.
The National Weather Service has issued a flood warning for Glades County, Florida, effective until 10:12 p.m. The National Weather Service in WFO Miami, FL has issued a flood warning for the Fisheaton Creek near Palmdale from this evening until further notice at 10 a.m. Sunday. The stage was 6.1 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. Flood stage is 7.0 feet forecast to rise above flood stage by tonight and continue to rise at any rate 0.9 feet by Wednesday evening. This crest compares to a previous crest of 9.2 feet on September 17, 1945.
You are listening to WGCU FM Fort Myers 90.1, WMKO Marco Island 91.7 FM, and PR for Southwest Florida. I'm John David.